Today is January 24th, 2026. It's the calm before the storm. I am standing on my deck, and this is how our backyard looks today, January 24th. So we will see tomorrow how this place looks. This is the sliding door. This is how it is from outside. I will take a shot of how it looks, the outside looks from inside, and we will see how high the snow will be out here. So stay tuned, you guys. East Coast, New Jersey. The calm before the storm. And this is it, the day after. Just before we sit to have our red bean soup, as promised, this is how our backyard looks. We got quite a bit of snow, you guys. But right now it's a bit calm. The snow has stopped falling, and we've been experiencing some freezing rain. So yeah, we are snowed in, guys. So I'm gonna enjoy my red bean soup with my hubby. And yeah, we're snowed in. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.